Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into what could possibly be the best quiet fan for your room. The Dreo fan for bedroom.
Known for its powerful airflow and whisper quiet operation, this fan is making waves in the market.
Let's explore why it might be the perfect addition to your home or office setup.
First off, let's talk about what sets the Dreo fan apart. It boasts a 12-inch diameter with a unique wing boost system, designed to circulate air up to 70 feet away.
That's impressive, especially for a fan this size. What's even more remarkable is its noise level operating at just 28 decibels, it's almost silent.
Perfect for those who value a peaceful environment during both work and rest.
Moving on to design, the Dreo fan combines functionality with elegance.
It features a 120-degree adjustable tilt, allowing you to direct airflow precisely where you need it. Whether you're in the kitchen, bedroom, or office, this fan adapts effortlessly to your space. It's crafted from durable plastic, ensuring longevity, and it's incredibly lightweight for easy portability.
Performance-wise, this fan doesn't disappoint. With 3 speed settings controlled by a simple knob, you can easily find the right balance of airflow. It enhances the effectiveness of your air conditioners and heaters, helping you save on energy bills, a win-win situation. Now, let's talk maintenance. Cleaning this fan is a breeze, literally. Its parts are designed for easy disassembly, ensuring you can keep it operating smoothly without hassle. You can even mount it on the wall for uninterrupted airflow around your room.
User feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, with many praising its sturdy build, quiet operation, and excellent value for money.
It's no wonder it's an Amazon's choice product in the table fans category.
To wrap up, if you're looking for a reliable, quiet fan that delivers powerful airflow and fits seamlessly into any room, the Dreo fan for bedroom is definitely worth considering. Its blend of performance, quietness, and ease of use makes it a standout choice in the market today.
Interested in learning more or ready to make a purchase? Check out the link in the description below to find the latest deals on the Dreo fan for bedroom. Don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.